think we got some. The apple tree's doing well. I've got cherries growing, but I think that tree has to die before it comes back again. And what's it? We Charles, tell me off again if he's still here. I grew butterflies. We hatched some. He'll tell me the proper definition of what I actually did. And we've got some house butterflies now. I've got the lid open on the net, and they're just the love of life. They need sugar water. They're not the strongest of flies. They come out and they go on the floor. Bing bong. Back up to this bad corner here.